In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframes in Adobe Express. While Adobe Express uses preset animations rather than manual keyframes, you can still create keyframe-like motion by choosing the right animation and fine-tuning its controls. I'll walk you through the process so your text, images, and graphics come to life smoothly and intentionally. Start by clicking the specific element you want to animate. That could be a headline, a logo, a photo, or a shape. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it. Selecting the element first is important because the animation settings you're about to change apply only to what's highlighted. If you're having trouble selecting the right item, zoom in slightly and click directly on it to make sure you're targeting the correct layer. With your element selected, look to the right panel and open the animation section. This is your control center for motion. If the panel looks condensed, expand it so you can see all available options. Keeping your attention on the right panel helps ensure you're adjusting the animation for the correct element, not the entire project. Now choose an animation style that matches your story. Fade is great for subtle, professional transitions. Slide helps introduce elements from a specific direction to guide the viewer's eye. Pan creates a gentle camera-like movement across your content, which is especially useful for images. Zoom adds emphasis by pushing in or pulling out, drawing attention to important details. Pick one effect per element to maintain clarity and avoid visual clutter. Next, adjust duration, direction, and timing if those controls are available for your chosen effect. Duration determines how fast or slow the move feels. Longer durations read as smoother and more cinematic, while shorter durations feel snappier. Direction, when offered, lets you set where the motion comes from, like left, right, up, or down, which can reinforce your layout and reading flow. Timing settings influence when the animation begins relative to the element's appearance. Small tweaks here help you create a layered, keyframe-like rhythm, especially when multiple elements are animating in sequence. Keep your adjustments consistent with your brand tone and the overall pace of your project. When you're happy with the setup, use Preview to watch everything in real time. Pay attention to overlaps, pacing, and readability. If something feels rushed or distracting, adjust the duration or switch to a simpler effect. Finally, export your design or video. Choose the format and quality that best suits your destination. Then finalize your export so it's ready to share. That's it. Clean, controlled animation in Adobe Express without the complexity.